welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. So if you guys want to see how this is going to go, then keep watching. So I bought this because I saw a bunch of people on TikTok using it and their lips getting bigger. And it like worked for a lot of people. So the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme claims to give you instantly sexy lips. 97% said that it delivered instant results. 97% said that their lips felt moisturized. And 93% said that their lips looked fuller and more plump. Interesting. Very excited. Also very scared. Let's see. Apparently, you can apply this day and night. I don't know if I'd really want to apply this at night, but we'll see. This was the sample size that I bought. I did not buy the full size because the full size is like almost $30. This was $14. Sample sizes should be like 7, not 14. But yeah, I bought this from Sephora when I ordered my Riviera palette and my birthday gift from there. So yeah. So this is what it looks like. It is like iridescent. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm a little afraid to swatch it on the back of my hand, so I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to take this baby wipe and wipe off what's on my lips now, because I have some lip gloss on because I filmed this tutorial. And take my towel here and make sure that they're all dry. And I have seen girls go in with lip scrubs. So to scrub my lips, I'm going to be using the Fizz and Bubble Lip Scrub in Mint Mojito. And I'm just going to put this on my lips and rub it around for a second or two. Okay, so this is what my lips look like once I exfoliate them. I do exfoliate them like pretty much every day before I go to bed. So this is what they look like. I feel like my lips are like normal sized. I don't know, average. Let's put this bad boy on. I'm nervous. Let's see if it has a smell. It has a very fruity scent. Kind of smells like a Starburst. Let's put this on. Oh my god, it's already tingling. Ooh! Oh my god. It is tingling. I thought it was going to be like the buxom. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. It is tingling. Oh my god. We are tingling. We are tingling. It's like prickling. Am I having an allergic reaction? Oh my god. My lips are getting bigger. What? See how red they are? Are they gonna explode like I'm doing the Kylie lip challenge? Oh god. So they definitely did get a little bit bigger. I'm just gonna put a little more on. See what happens. I definitely do feel like, I don't know like if it's my eyes playing with me because my eyes like are horrible or what, but I feel like they kind of do look a little plumper, especially like here in this area, like I don't know, like where it folds, my lip folds, I don't know like how to describe this. It's very thin, so that got a little bit bigger, fatter, bigger. They definitely look a little bit bigger. This is weird. I don't know how I feel about this, but I'm looking in the mirror behind you and they definitely do look bigger. All right, so this works. It's not long lasting. I'm sure within like a half an hour, the swelling will go down. But I mean, it's just like a fun little thing for a little while. They definitely are like a little just plumper. They look like just fuller. So I did buy one from Walmart from Hard Candy that I also saw people using. And this one's like their max pout. Like I'm going all out. I'm not starting out with like the little baby steps. I'm starting out like extreme. So I'm going to try this in a different video because I don't want to torture my lips too much. So stay tuned for that. But I do think that this Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme works. I mean, if you want plumper, fuller lips, and you don't have money to go get lip injections, or you're just afraid of needles like I am and don't want needles near their face, I think that this is a good alternative. I think that, you know, it works. It's pretty interesting. But like right now, like the tingling's going away. Still like a little tingling in the Cupid's bow area. But they do look, I think they look a little bit fuller, and it's a pretty cool product. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll link down below. I'm not sponsored. Too Faced has no idea who I am. It's just a fun thing to try. And that was me trying the Too Faced Lip Injections Extreme. I think it worked. It is now like slowly stopping and stuff. It's a fun product to try. This is just like a fun video. But if you've tried this before, let me know in the comments down below what you think about it. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for when I try the hard candy one, and I'll let you guys know like which one's better when I do the hard candy video. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!